This is a video comparison with the Oppo Find X3 Pro. Right now I'm testing the audio quality on the Oppo Find X3 Pro. And now I'm testing the audio quality on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And now I'm talking to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Follow me around to test the video quality. Now let's test the video stabilization. Okay, let's stop here. Now let's switch to the ultra-wide camera on all of the phones. First the S21 Ultra, the Oppo and the iPhone. This is the ultra-wide camera on all the three phones. Now let's switch to the main cameras. And this will do it for this test.